Hey there foodies! Today we are diving into the delicious world of Indian desserts with a classic recipe that's sure to tantalize your taste buds, Caramel Kheer. So join us and learn how to make this dessert. In a cooker, take washed rice, add full fat milk, cook on low heat for 6 to 7 minutes. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles. In another pan, add clarified butter, chopped nuts. Saute for 6 to 7 minutes on low heat. Do not change the color of the nuts. Take it out in a bowl and keep it aside. We will use the chopped nuts later in the video. In another pan, add sugar, add water. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Stir it. Add some more water if required. Cook till sugar syrup turns golden brown in color. Sugar is caramelized nicely. Keep it aside. Rice is cooked and mushy. In a pan, add milk. Add cooked rice and the milk from the pressure cooker. Cook for 6 to 7 minutes on low heat. Mash the rice in the milk with the help of the masher. Add condensed milk in it. Add fried chopped nuts. Stir well and cook till it gets little thickened. Now add the caramelized sugar syrup. Mix well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Close the heat after 3 to 4 minutes and cool it down. Serve it in a bowl and garnish with chopped nuts. Enjoy this delicious twist on traditional rice kheer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes. Bye bye.